Good evening. We're on Don Outdoor Adventures. Uh, Getting ready to share a little secret. Some of my hunting I do. I'm getting ready to make a drag line, and what that is a trail of scent that you tie to your boot. I got my 550 cord. You can get that at Walmart. I got a rag, but I'm not going to need all of that, so I'm just going to cut some off of here. About like that. Then you want to make your hole in there. Just fold it once and make your lip slit. About something like that. Just a little hole. Put your string in there. Tie it off. Because you're going to be dragging this. I normally attach it to my boot. And you drag it behind you as you walk through the woods. And what I do is put this special gold estrich. Basically, it's a doe pee that you can get at Walmart also, and you put that on your rag, and you just probably give yourself about that much of rope, probably about 2-3 feet of rope, and you attach it to your boot, and you drag it behind you. And what it does is, if you're on a trail and you got a buck coming in after this doe, he'll pick up this scent because it's a doe in heat. He'll trail that right up to your tree stand or right up to your tree out in front of your tree stand. My plan is to put it about 18 yards out in front of my tree stand. So when he comes out there, he'll smell that and be focused on that instead of me. You always want to spray yourself down with some scent cover. I always use Dead Downwind. It's been pretty good for me. And that's just a quick, short tip. Using a drag line tied to your boot, spray it down first, and when you leave your truck or vehicle, get into the woods. If you go across a trail or anywhere in the woods, that buck or even a doe sometime would get on that and follow you right up to your tree stand or out in front of your tree stand. So that's my tip for the day on Don Outdoor Adventures. We'll see you in the woods tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have a big doe or buck. We'll just see what happens. We'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures.